Hey there, Melissa Maria here, coming to you from Tampa, Florida. I'm sending you this email because I'm going to be in your market center here really soon, sharing with you Value Squared. Value Squared is a course that's created by Gary Keller, founder of Keller Williams, Jay Papazon, and Jason Abrams. It's designed to help us as real estate agents craft our value to the consumer. Now, listen, there's been a lot of changes in the real estate world in the last year or so. And it is more important than ever that we demonstrate our value and show that we really are more than just the person that opens the door and writes an offer for someone, right? So, Value Squared, in the course Value Squared, you're going to learn how to create your value, how to show your value, and how to relay your value to your clients and to the consumer. It's going to create confidence for you to build the business that you really want to have. I promise the day will be fun. It will be purposeful. You will leave the class that day with some action items to put into your business the very next day. I hope that you will take time to invest in your life, in your business, and come to this class, learn how to create the value that our consumers need to know that we bring to the table, and that we are the ones that can help them buy and sell their next home and build their wealth. I look forward to seeing you. Make it a great day. Make sure you put it on your schedule.